Hello, my name is Annie, and today I want to present Project 3, Mail of CS50 Programming and JavaScript. This project is to design a front end for an email client that makes API calls to send and receive emails. Basically, we only need to use JavaScript, HTML, and CSS to work on this project. Here is my code inside inbox.js. So you have the function compose email, function view email, function load mailbox, and function send email. Okay, and now I test my app, login as n@email.com. Here you see all my emails inside inbox. Now let's test compose to send an email to, for example, food@example.com, and just say hi, and yeah, yes. I send. Here you have all the emails I have sent. Let me log out and log in as food@email.com. And now I get the email from N. If I want to view this email, just simply click on it. You have the content of the email. If I check back on inbox, once an email is read, the background color will become gray. Okay, let's view the email again and try to archive this email. Just click on it, and then inside archive you have all the email I have archived. I can also unarchive this email. Okay, now we test on the reply function. Okay, how are you? Okay, and send. I log out again and log in as n@email.com. Now I have the email from Fu, and he replied me, how are you? Okay, so far so good. The project works well. So that's my project 3 mail. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.